Aren't you tired of your social media gurus doing this? Today I'm going to show you my formula that made me $1 million in 3 minutes. Okay? I want you to say formula with me. Say formula. Okay? You're supposed to say okay.
Okay.
Now here's the first step. The first step. Say first step.
First step.
First step is you get up in the morning. You want to say get up in the morning. You get up in the morning. I need you to breathe. Say breathe.
Breathe.
Take a deep breath in. The second thing I need you to do is get out of your bed. Say bed.
Bed.
Say bed. And the last thing is how they close, how they did this beautiful presentation just like this. This is the, and I need you guys to listen closely. Buy my course in the bio. Say buy
My
my course.
course.
All you have to do from here, after I gave you the 3-step framework, is take action. Say action.
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 Action. Now, if you tired of those type of presentations and you want somebody to really help you out with your business and grow, go to www.bookbrotherben.com. I have no presentation. We're going to do a free one-on-one call, and you're going to see if I give you value for free. Then you can make the decision if you want to work with me. www.bookbrotherben.com. See you on the Zoom call.